Hey guys! Beautiful day! Kamusta? Very hot, diba? At ang liwanag ng aking face kahit hindi ko in-adjust yung camera ko, maliwanag talaga. Anyway, in this video, I'll be sharing the skincare products na I feel and I've seen significant result on my skin during the time that I have used this one and I have reviewed. And this is in the category serum. So I have 4 products right here. All are made in Korea, if I'm not mistaken. Isa lang ang local brand. So price range is 200 below to 1,000 plus. So una tayo sa pinakamahal. So ang pinakamahal na meron ako dito is this one from Kiehl's, the Clearly Corrective Dark Spot Solution. Clinically demonstrated to help correct dark spots and discolorations for visible correction and clarity. This one is 15 ml. Merong mas malaking bottle nito, and yes, na-justify talaga niya. Guys, sa maalala ko, parang 3 days na-fade na yung dark spots ko. Significant changes. Yung unang effect is parang may konting nagpipeel off yung dark spot, pero micro-peeling. Hindi mahapde. And then after, yung black na spot naging grayish, and then parang naging red na siya, then pink, then eventually parang back to normal skin color na siya. So if you have difficulty in removing your dark spots and medyo stubborn siya, matagal na siya sa skin ninyo, ilang years na, pero hindi pa rin natatagal, you might consider this product. It is a good investment. Another brightening alternative is this Dear Klairs Freshly Juiced Vitamin Charging Serum, 30 ml. So price range 1,000 plus din to. Pero guys, sa 30 ml, parang matagal mo siyang magagamit kasi wala pa kasing 30 ml of usage sa product na to. Meron ng makikitang effect on the skin. Mabe-benefit mo na yung brightening effect niya. And with this one, parang clear yung, as I remember, clear yung face ko and parang fresh lang. Parang fresh ka talaga. Talagang napapanandigan nila yung mga pangalan nila, guys. Ito pala ginagamit ko with, it is best paired with this Dear Klairs Freshly Juiced Vitamin E Mask. Ayan. So, the packaging, I love it. White and silver. Maganda. Magandang nasa vanity area. Ganon. Diba? Babe, may masinok pa ba tayo? Wala na. Wala na. Ito lang, parang ang bulky ng lagayan for 30 ml. Kasi if you think about it, ito nga, 15 ml lang. Maliit lang siya. Parang nakaka-save ng space. Ito parang sayang ang plastic, guys. But I can still use this with other products that I have kung mag-travel, kaya hindi ko siya tinatapon. So, this two pala, I did not purchase this. This is shared to me from the brand during campaigns and during the time that they want me to review these products. That's why na-try ko siya. Thank you so much for trusting me, Kiehl's and Dear Klairs. Another product, eto, masasabi ko, affordable na to, guys. Kasi, yung original price niya is 1,000 plus or 700 plus, but they always do sale. And yung isang bottle niya is maraming content. Yung pinakamaliit nilang bottle is 30 ml, then they have 40. Yeah, 40 ba? Tingnan ko muna para sigurado. Yeah, 40 or 50, then 100 ml. And this time, bumili na talaga ako ng 100 ml. I first tried this product yung 30 ml lang na bottle. So without further ado, I have this Centella Skin 104 Brightening Care Ampule. Ampule pala to, hindi to serum. So there is a difference between Essence Serum and Ampule. Arrived yesterday. Binili ko siya during 4/15 sale. Payday sale. Pero palagi naman silang naka-sale and abang-abang lang kayo kasi biglang magpa-flash sale yan. So, I have this beautiful bottle from Skin 1004 in 100 ml na. And as you can see, meron siyang mga white beads in it. Ayan. And what I love about this product is marami siyang whitening ingredients. Whitening or brightening ingredients. So, aside from Centella asiatica, meron siyang niacinamide, meron siyang tranexamic acid. Brightening ingredient is 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid. So, yun yung vitamin C derivative niya with this one. Guys, eto yung pinakamasasabi ko sa inyo na pwedeng pang maintenance, guys. Yung, eto na yon, kaya bumili ako ng 100 ml. And naka-sale din kasi siya during that time. 500 plus pesos lang siya, kasama na shipping doon. Tas guys, 100 ml to ha. If, kadalasan kasi sa mga serum is 300 plus pesos, 30 ml lang yon. So, dalawang 30 ml, that's 60 ml, so 600 plus pesos. With this 100 ml for only 500 plus pesos. So, diba? The first time that I tried this one is ganito lang na packaging, maliit lang. Remember the last time I shared here yung limited edition. Actually, hindi siya limited edition. There are some sellers na nagbebenta ng ganun. Na apat na Skin 104 Ampules, yung apat na variants. And isa doon si Brightening Care Ampule. So, perfecto. And lastly, another one, pinaka-cheapest that I have right here na brightening na pwede nyong bilhin right now is this two from Hello Glow. This one is the 3-in-1 AHA Bright Boosting Serum and the 3-in-1 Lifting Serum. So, ginagamit ko siya. So, ginagamit ko siya ng sabay. 3-in-1 AHA Bright Booster Serum in the morning and Lifting Serum in the nighttime. So, this has niacinamide, vitamin C, and lactic acid. This one naman is anti-aging. There is lifting effect with sea berry, apple, and pomegranate extract. Helps improve fine lines and wrinkles. With this two naman, very affordable, very accessible. Kaso nga lang, mabilis itong maubos. That's why I repurchased this one kasi paubos na to. Ito yung cheaper and accessible alternative ko if yung money ko is gagamitin ko sa mas importante pang bagay. So, medyo ina-adjust ko lang. Medyo nakaluwag-luwag ako at naubos ko na to, kaya binalikan ko to. Kasi guys, effective naman to, nakaka-fade talaga ng mga dark spots. Pero, yun nga, nag-sale si Skin 104, kaya nabili ko siya. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hindi nga lang halata dito. Dito, meron pa isa, fade. Dito, hindi na masyadong halata. Ayan guys, problema ko talaga ang dark spots ko because I am acne prone. So yung acne ko, yung pimples ko, mabilis ko namang nasusolusyonan. But, pagkatapos mawala ng pimple, yung dark spots naman, yun naman yung nagiging problem ko. So yun guys, I hope you get a thing or two from this video. 4 options that you could choose from for brightening your dark spots and hyperpigmentation. And if you like more of my contents, you know the drill. Follow for more. Bye!